See, you know they use write up. Let us use voice notes. Yes. More Bobrisky. I will use voice note to say my mind. Today. Tonto, why are you so bitter? Yes, I know that you and Kemi Olunloyo's issue is none of my business. But it got to my business when you were threatening that woman. That you will spank her. What can you do? What can you do? Stop threatening people. You are nothing but just a dust. Just a dust. You, they threatening people. Leo. Leo no fear o. Le kwensu o. Chineke. Chineke o. Le. Also, Kemi, I'm in Lagos. I will spank you. Spank, slap you there. But let me see. I will choke my mouth because you're full of threatening people. And you cannot do shit. You can't do nada. Auntie Tonto, bia neighbor. Bia were, come and take your food. Ekwensu onye zuzu akirikpa azu. Ogene gita. Anu ofia. Hey who? Akuna. Auntie akuna. Please help me interpret to her if she don't understand what I'm saying. All my Igbo fans, listen to me. I'm the worst person you can ever have issues with on this Instagram. I might be very calm, but if I come for you, if my thing enter my brain, if one of my brain, if the thing lose, if the nuts lose, you don't finish with that. Where is your foundation? Also a foundation to help people is a lie. When your gullible fans will send money to you to help people.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today is about Bobrisky and Tonto Dikeh. It's all set for 12 of them, my people. This video today is about Bobrisky and Tonto Dikeh. Bobrisky, now I fair to first. Bobrisky, why they always do this thing? Why it be say if Tonto Dikeh get problem with another person, you carry a go put for head. Then another you go come and they insult him. They insult Tonto Dikeh not be small. Tonto Dikeh not want your friendship again. Friendship not be by force. Not be by force. This one will be say anytime Tonto Dikeh get problem with another person, Bobrisky must come and come insult Tonto Dikeh. It don't do and reach how many times now Tonto Dikeh say no, this time now bomber to bomber. He said now bomber to bomber. Why would they always do this thing? Very, very bad. Like seriously, very, very bad. It not good maybe say we go to eat ourselves. Tonto Dikeh, two of them are two best friends before. But now, Tonto Dikeh say he don't want the friendship again because the way Bobrisky say they commit nuisance for social media is not too much. Say he don't want the friendship again. But Bobrisky no want let her rest. The way they look and be like say the friendship they pay Bobrisky. Because if you know they pay now, I see no reason why be say somebody say no want your friendship again. You see they disturb her, you they insult her, you know they let her rest every time. My brother, may you take am easy. Take am easy, Bobrisky, not by force. Tonto Dikeh say he no want do friendship with you again. You let her be. Let her be. Friendship not be by force. You cannot force Tonto Dikeh to make friends with you now. Bobrisky, take am easy. This will not be first time. Now so you do always Tonto Dikeh get problem with Kemi. You carry am put for head. You carry a put for head, begin to insult Tonto Dikeh. What did he do you? What did he do you, Bobrisky? Bobrisky, tell us what is Tonto Dikeh do you? May we know. Because this your own don't pass Joromi. It don't pass Joromi, really. The way Bobrisky said they insult Tonto Dikeh every day, it is very, very bad. Very, very bad, my people. So make I put the video more and I can't hear the way they insult Tonto Dikeh is too much, my people.
See, you know they use write up. Let us use voice notes. Yes. More Bobrisky. I will use voice note to say my mind. Today. Tonto, why are you so bitter? Yes, I know that you and Kemi Olunloyo's issue is none of my business. But it got to my business when you were threatening that woman. That you will spank her. What can you do? What can you do? Stop threatening people. You're nothing but just a dust. Just a dust. You, they threatening people. Leo. Leo no fear o. Le kwensu Chineke. Chineke o. Le. Also, Kemi, I'm in Lagos. I will spank you. Spank, slap you there. But let me see. I will choke my mouth because you're full of threatening people. And you cannot do shit. You can't do nada. Auntie Tonto, bia neighbor. Bia were, come and take your food. Ekwensu onye zuzu akirikpa azu. Ogene gita. Anu ofia. Hey who? Akuna. Auntie akuna. Please help me interpret to her. You should not understand what I'm saying. All my Igbo fans, listen to me. I'm the worst person you can ever have issues with on this Instagram. I might be very calm, but if I come for you, if my thing enter my brain, if one of my brain, if the thing lose, if the nuts lose, you don't finish with that. Where is your foundation? Also, foundation to help people is a lie. When your gullible fans will send money to you to help people, I want to go use that money, buy a packet of weeds. She will smoke weed from morning to night, morning, afternoon, nights. That's her breakfast, lunch, dinner. And no fear. Auntie Tonto, I bought my child a planet, a star in heaven. Snoop Dogg gave me certificates. Hey! Auntie, you sabi lie. Sakamanje International PLC, you are a bloody liar, Tonto. You buy your Peking star. Hey! Also, I buy my Peking star. Hey, you sabi lie. Your whole life, self, it pass. Which person have to compare you with, oh? I'll remember. Oh, my foundation is doing this thing. Guys, go and support my foundation. Is a lie. Nobody is sponsoring your foundation anymore. I'm a born again. I'm a Christian. Born again where they smoke weed. What they do? What they do? Akripazo. Akripazo. Ekwensu. You are broke. If you want me, Bobrisky, to stop interfering in any of your gists, pay your debts. Debt is not good. 5 million naira, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. 5 million naira is not easy. To borrow one ingrate, and the person will not appreciate it. Please return my money. Nyem ego bikonu okia. Toto okia. Please, nyem ego. Give me my money. If you don't want me to interfere in your business again, you don't want me to talk to you, you don't want me to have any issue with you, then pay your debts. That 5 million self is not even part of all the other things I've not mentioned yet. So many debts that I thought there's no point mentioning. You are a debtor. You can owe for Africa. Yes, you can owe for Africa. My money with you, you have to pay it. Because if you don't pay it, Bobrisky, I will continue to drag you to eternity. Mark my word. Before I forget, Tonto, you want to beat Kemi lawyer inside Uber. Also, I'm in Lagos. Kemi, where are you? Show us the car I carried you now. It's Uber. But back then in the day, it's me, Bobrisky, that will send my escorts to you with 2 policemen and my best car to come and pick at the airport. All those free lifestyle, luxury lifestyle. No day again for you. No day, because you're not broke. You want to beat Auntie Kemi lawyer inside that Uber where you did. Show us the car now. Show us the car that brought you down to Lagos. Ekwensu. Also, I want to beat Auntie Kemi lawyer. See, let me tell you something. I am ready for you. If you don't pay your bills, even if 1 kobo remain, I will still drag the hell out of you. You must pay that 5 million because I work.